Hello students. Now next point is Pryanishikov triangle. This is a special type of triangle developed by the scientist Pryanishikov, which represents the interaction between three important components, that is plant, soil and fertilizer. It is first representation provided by the scientist Pryanishikov that explains detailed interaction between plant and soil as well as fertilizer. And so, for example, if any one component out of these three we remove, then it affects the crop production, crop cycle, as well as the total cycle of plant as well as various crops. And that's why whenever we are growing any type of crop, vegetable, plant, then it is essential to give collective interaction between plant, soil and fertilizer, right? This interaction in the early days is investigated by the scientist Pryanishikov and represented in the form of triangle. So this is a special type of representation which shows the interaction between plant, soil and fertilizer, right? So this type of representation is simply termed as the Pryanishikov triangle. This is about Pryanishikov triangle. Now next point is the importance of agriculture chemistry. What are the importance of agriculture chemistry? This branch provides the study of physiology of plants, functions of green plants, and vital activity of plant organisms. Right? We take one by one. Whenever we are growing any type of vegetable, plant, crops, then we must know about what which type of physiological process takes place in the plant, crop or vegetables that we are growing. And this knowledge is provided by agricultural chemistry. If we doesn't know the knowledge related with physiology, then physiological process, for example, respiration, absorption of water, absorption of fertilizer in soluble form, gain of various nutrients, photosynthesis, food production, such type of physiological process and their knowledge is provided by agriculture chemistry branch, right? This knowledge is provided. Then branch also provides the detailed function of green plants that we have just discussed. That is photosynthesis is important function. So this function knowledge is also provided and vital activities of plant organisms. So agriculture chemistry provides the knowledge or study of physiology of plants, functions of green plants, and vital activity of plant organism. So this first important. Then second one, it also provide the various properties and changes occur in the plant organism during its life cycle. What are the changes? Step by step. Different changes, various number of changes takes place during the growing of any type of crop, and this knowledge is also provided. Then third important importance is that it also provides art of cultivation. Initially, method of cultivation, and nowadays, which type of methods we are applying in our farm. A fast change, huge change takes place, and this art, advanced techniques, this knowledge, nutrient cycle of crop, and harvesting techniques, this knowledge is also provided by the agricultural chemistry. For example, initially we are growing sugarcane by simple method. Nowadays, we are growing sugarcane by using so many techniques, that is counter methods, inline drip irrigation method, online drip irrigation method, by using bud cultivation techniques. These are the techniques we are get advanced knowledge from agricultural chemistry, and this art of cultivation is provided by agricultural chemistry. Nutrient cycle of crop and harvesting is also provided by agriculture chemistry. These variations are done in this field, right? So this knowledge is also provided by agricultural chemistry. Then third importance is that knowledge of pedological study, metrology, and agrophysics science. Three terms which we are provided by this branch. First we see what is pedology. Pedons. Pedons are nothing but these are the soil particles. Soil particles. Now just you can ask question, what is soil particles? What are the impacts? See that the morphology of soil particle, porosity of soil particle, moisture holding capacity of soil particles, color of soil particle, it decide the total crop cycle, and the various regions are depending on which type of soil particles are existing in the farm. This overall study is called as pedological study, and this knowledge is provided by agricultural chemistry. We have learned in next some topics what is the pedology. The next important knowledge which is provided is that the meteorology. No doubt, this the special type of department division is existing running in our government governing body, that is the meteorological department. That is the meteorological study of atmospheric condition, then study of rainfall. This overall information is provided by agriculture chemistry, and with the help of meteorological study we can decide the total crop cycle. Total crop cycle is decided by this particular study. Then third is the agrophysics science. What is agrophysics? Agrophysics is the combined branch of agricultural science and physical science. Nowadays, we are using different types of machineries, automated techniques, and various type of digital devices to improve the knowledge related with crop cycle, improvement of crop production as well as production quality. And this knowledge comes under the branch called as agrophysics. It is agrophysics. So this is also provided by the science related with a particular branch. Now, the next importance is the agrochemist provides the findings of genetics, breeding of farm crops, agronomy, agriculture microbiology, and biochemistry. So many branch collect. Now first we see who is agrochemist, right? You are only chemist. And now we are going to develop you through this paper as an agrochemist. Who is agrochemist? That is agrochemist is the person, a recognized person who is having knowledge related with proper agriculture as well as the use of different types of agrochemical for different purposes. He must know about the genetical cycle of various crops. What is the genetics related with crop cycle or proper crop? So these findings, this knowledge he gives to our farmers family as well as total community through agricultural chemistry. Second, breeding of farm crops. We have developed so many hybrid varieties. Initially, these are the pure varieties, but crop production is limited. But as we require much more food due to explosion of population, it becomes essential to improve the crop production. And that's why the breedings of various varieties is done of the farm crops so that the production of crop increases, quality of crop increases. We are growing different types of flowers, then different types of varieties. So this knowledge is also provided by agrochemist or agricultural chemist. Then next is the agronomy. Agronomy means what? The total study of crop is done under this branch related with its morphology. This is the agronomy. Third, agricultural microbiology. Very important branch. What are the microbiology of crops? So many huge changes takes place in each and every step related with temperature, soil condition, moisture condition. This agricultural microbiology is established, developed, and it provides the knowledge. And next one is the biochemistry. That is the particular chemistry of plants is studied with respect to living organisms. This is the biochemistry branch. And hence, total agricultural chemistry provides agricultural techniques, advanced techniques, so that we are getting a largest crop production. And this is the main importance of this branch. So, this is related with Pryanishikov triangle and importance of agricultural chemistry. Okay, thank you.